In what could signal a thaw in the strained ties between the Congress party, the Congress High Command, and the now sacked Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot, the rebel leader reportedly met former party chief Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on Monday ahead of the crucial assembly session on August 14th. The top Congress sources said that the meeting took place a little after afternoon at Rahul Gandhi's residence and a positive outcome was expected. Sources also confirmed that Sachin Pilot has been in touch with the top Congress leadership and a formula for his return was being worked out. Sources in Gandhi's office had earlier said that Pilot, who last month engineered a rebellion with 18 Congress MLAs and ditched the Ashok Gehlot government, was in touch with the senior leader KC Venugopal. The Pilot camp's rebellion seems to have divided the Congress party after the party MLAs in Rajasthan demanded action against the rebels led by him. Former President of India Pranab Mukherjee said on Monday that he has tested positive for COVID-19. The 84-year-old requested people who came in contact with him in the last 1 week to get tested as a precaution. He tweeted that on a visit to the hospital for a separate procedure, he has tested positive for COVID-19. He further tweeted that I request the people who came in contact with me in the last week to please self-isolate and get tested for COVID-19. The Congress leader, who was president from 2012 to 2017, has said this on Twitter. Meanwhile, Congress chief spokesperson Randeep Surjewala, along with several other party leaders, wished him a speedy recovery. The Supreme Court has sought the assistance of Attorney General KK Venugopal in apprising it of the programs made in installation of CCTV cameras across all the police stations in the country and audio-video recording of the statements made before the police officers. Recalling the court's orders passed in 2018, a bench headed by Justice Rohinton Fali Nariman asked the central government to file a detailed affidavit in this regard by September 7 so that the status of the compliance could be known. The court was hearing an appeal by Punjab DSP Paramveer Singh Saini, who has been booked in a criminal case for alleged illegal detention of 2 men in the police station for 5 days and torturing them in connection with a murder case. The BCCI has received the central government's normal approval to conduct this year's Indian Premier League in UAE, IPL chairman Brijesh Patel revealed on Monday. The IPL will be held in the UAE from September 19 to November 10 in 3 cities including Sharjah, Abu Dhabi and Dubai. The government had last week given an in-principle go-ahead to the BCCI to shift the Marquee League to the UAE due to rising cases of COVID-19 in the country. When an Indian sports body shifts a domestic tournament abroad, it requires a clearance from Home Ministry, External Affairs Ministry and Sports Ministries respectively. Jammu and Kashmir's bureaucrat turned politician Shah Faisal quit politics today, resigning from the Jammu and Kashmir's People's Movement, the party that he founded last year after quitting the civil services. In a statement today, the party said that Dr. Shah Faisal had informed state executive members that he is not in a position to continue with political activities and wants to be freed from the responsibilities of the organization. Keeping in view with this request, it was decided to accept his request so that he can better continue with his life and contribute whichever way he chooses. Well, now there are speculations that he might rejoin the civil services once again.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.